Original Classic Green Herb Tea, a refreshing blend of organic herbs. This tea is designed to provide numerous health benefits, such as boosting metabolism, improving digestion, and increasing antioxidant intake. Tulsi Green Tea, a fusion of green tea and tulsi, holy basil, known for its anti-inflammatory, stress-relieving, and immune-boosting properties, making it perfect for promoting overall well-being. Lemongrass Green Tea, a fragrant combination of green tea and lemongrass, providing a calming effect. It's rich in antioxidants and aids in digestion, reducing bloating and helping to detoxify the body. Rose Green Tea, a soothing mix of green tea and rose petals. Rose tea has a calming aroma and is rich in vitamins A and C, which can promote skin health and improve digestion. Slim Trim. For weight reduction, this product is specifically designed to support weight management. It combines powerful natural ingredients that promote fat burning, boost metabolism, and reduce appetite. Sexual products for premature ejaculation and erectile dysfunction. These products address men's sexual health, particularly issues like premature ejaculation and erectile dysfunction, helping improve stamina and performance using natural herbs. Shilajit. Shilajit is a potent rejuvenating substance used in Ayurveda, known for its ability to increase energy, enhance libido, support cognitive function, and improve overall vitality. Ashwagandha, a traditional herb known for reducing stress, boosting testosterone, enhancing muscle strength, and improving overall energy and mood. Safe Muesli, a natural herb that supports male health, boosts energy, enhances stamina, and is traditionally used to increase strength and sexual performance. Real Magazine, a potent health supplement designed to enhance stamina and provide long-lasting energy. It supports vitality, boosts endurance, and promotes overall well-being, making it an ideal choice for those seeking sustained energy and improved physical performance. Diabanics, for diabetes specially formulated to help manage blood sugar levels. It combines herbs known to regulate glucose metabolism and reduce sugar cravings. Famibize, for female gynecological health, this product supports female reproductive health, helping to regulate menstrual cycles, reduce symptoms of menopause, and maintain overall gynecological wellness. Liver Ionics, for liver health, a liver detox supplement that promotes liver function, helps remove toxins from the body, and supports overall liver health. Tummy Detox, for abdominal health, aids in digestion and promotes a healthy gut. It helps cleanse the digestive system, reduce bloating, and improve abdominal health. Trifula, for body detox, a well-known Ayurvedic remedy for detoxifying the body, improving digestion, and balancing the three doshas, Vata, Pitta, Kapha. Sitopladi, for ENT health, a natural herbal remedy traditionally used to treat respiratory ailments, coughs, colds, and support the health of the ears, nose, and throat. All of these products are GMP certified and FSSAI approved, ensuring they meet high safety and quality standards.